stop her. That cat's bullying the other cat. It's a bully. Should I get rid of it? Dude, should I stop it? This is cruel. I'm stopping it. Back off, cat. Get away, get away. Yeah, stop bullying.
Which one's the bully?
By the way, this is on camera, so don't say names. Now don't bully. Listen. 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 This is for you.
Dude, stop. Dude, stop. Dude, you're ruining the cat movie. Should I get over there?
Oh no, okay, I'm catching it all. Ugh, I need to stop saying. Go ahead. No territory stuff. Have a leaf. Don't get what happened. Okay, I'm not. Can I intervene, please? I want to go over there. I want to stop her. This is not nice. This is mean.
Stop the video.
I'm not.
Stop the video. Stop the video.
No. It's going on. Nope, this is gonna go on. Kate, this is going on YouTube. And it's going to teach people that you should not bully people, because otherwise you would feel like, look, sad, mean. See, it's backing up. See, don't be mean. Don't be this cat. Be this cat. Or don't be this cat. Be a nice cat.
Do this.
No, you're not. You're not. Okay, we're still having cats. It's alive. See, don't be cats.
I'm gonna go.
Don't be this cat. Don't be this cat.
Mom, stop the video.
Okay. We're going to have to do something.